Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wow. This is. Hello, goodbye. Hello. Goodbye. Is that how people eat spiders? In their sleep? Was he out going for a walk? Is this got a web back there in the corner? Unless there's two of them. Oh no. No. So what was that about there, guy? Where are you? There he goes. There he is. That's right. Hey, just drop down, just say hi. Morning. Hey, hey, you. Well, you're just gonna let it eat me or what? Huh? Psst. My hero. My hero.